Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Wing. As we all know, Indian Armed Forces are the military services of India which consist of 4 professional uniformed services. That is the Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force and the Indian Coast Guard. In this video, we are going to talk about Indian Army, that what is Indian Army, what are the skills required to be an army officer and what are the procedures that you can use to be in army. So starting with the basic introduction about the Indian Army, it was founded in 1895. It is around 125 years ago. Next to the America and China, Indian Army is the third largest army in the world. Best part in this job is there is no provision based on the reservations. It is the higher respected profession where you can learn to live with a higher degree of discipline and ethics. Also, it is a very secure job like other government jobs, but your family life may suffer as you have to move often at some stations where your family cannot accompany you. Also, it is a very challenging profession. Now the thing is how to become an army officer. So the first thing is you must be known with the various entries available to you like NDA, CDS and many more. We are discussing it later in this video about these entries one by one. Moving on to the next step, talking to a recruiter who will guide you through the process. Then the next step is attending BCT. BCT means Basic Combat Training, where you can learn the ins and outs of army job. And the third one is AIT, Advanced Individual Training. In this training, you will learn how to perform the army job. Now discussing about the recruitment. What is recruitment and how to get it? Recruiter are most experienced soldiers in army. They will help you through the process all over your job. They will help you tailor your army experience to fit with your needs and your goals. Your recruiter can give you all the specifics on the benefits of army job. Many recruitment programs are organized all over the India, and this time the recruitment rally for the Indian Army is organized in March 2021. Now talking about the ways in which you can join the Indian Army. The first one is NDA. आप में से बहुत लोगों ने NDA के बारे में सुना होगा, तो अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि किस तरीके से हम NDA के थ्रू आर्मी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. NDA की फुल फॉर्म है नेशनल डिफेंस अकेडमी, which is one of the main defense academy and situated in Pune. It gives training together for Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. NDA is conducted through UPSC and conducted twice in a year, once in the month of April and the another one is in the month of September. The procedure to be selected through NDA is, at first you have to give the written examination, then you are called for SSB interview which lasts for 5 days. Then there is a medical test based on which the merit is prepared, and if you clear the merit list, you will be called for the training. There are 4 years of training in which 3 years you have to spend in NDA and the remaining 1 year is for IMA, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Talking about the eligibility for NDA, you must be 10+2 with any stream, but if you want to go for Navy or Air Force, the eligibility is 10+2 with maths as compulsory subjects. You must be an Indian citizen. Your age should be 16.5 to 19.5 years, and only unmarried male can apply for NDA. Female are not allowed to go for this exam. The another entry is through CDS, Combined Defense Services, which you can give to be in Indian Army. It is also conducted through UPSC and twice in a year, once in the month of February and March and the another is October or November. The remaining process is same. First you have to give the written exam, then you have to go for SSB interview, then medical test and then the merit list comes out. The only difference is here you will get the training in the training academy of your choice only. Eligibility for this exam is graduates or the final year students with any stream. CDS में mainly 2 parts होते हैं. One is IMA, Indian Military Academy, and the another one is OT, Officer Training Academy. Talking about the eligibility for IMA, you should be unmarried male and the age limit is 19 to 23 years. And for OTA, both male and female can apply and the age limit is 19 to 25 years. These were the entry procedures which you can go for the selection in Indian Army. Also, there are some technical entries available to you for which you can search at the official website of Indian Army, that is joinindianarmy.nic.in. Now discussing about the skills that you must know and you should have become a part of Indian Army or to be a soldier are determination, courage, stamina, self-confidence, leadership, team player, good communication skills, quick thinking and problem solver, sense of responsibility, flexibility and adaptable to change. These are some of the most important skills that you must have to be in army. So these were the basic points that will help you to be in Indian Army. If you want to have more information about Indian Army, then you can go for the official website. The link is given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.